Hello and welcome to a beautiful early morning here in the greenhouse. That beautiful, I've even got my shorts on. It's early spring as well, April 21st, Queen's birthday. Happy birthday, Mom. Day before my birthday. But I've been busy outside of the greenhouse over the last few days, starting to clear the borders, ready for the the new growing season ahead. Clear the flower borders, clear the veg borders. And one of the jobs I was doing was clearing out the strawberry bed. And if you've grown strawberries before, as you know, if you don't keep an eye on strawberries, they start throwing runners out everywhere, and before you know it, you've got plants all over the place. So I've been clearing the strawberry bed out. As you can see there, there's a sort of the brown mucky beforehand, and then after I've pulled out loads of plants and cleaned it all up. But I've ended up with a load of strawberry plants in here, basically. I thought, instead of just chucking them away, I'd give them away to friends. And while I'm like to think of myself as a fairly generous person, I'm not that generous that I don't want to give all of my pots away. And as you can see here, I've got plants all over the place, and I haven't got many pots left. So I was thinking, what am I going to do if I want to give the plants away to everyone? What am I going to put them in? And then I thought about it. Why not just use the old paper pots routine that you can make out of newspapers? And where are we? Here is one I made earlier. So a nice easy pot, that's not going to last forever, but it's really good for transporting and just keeping, potting your plants up for the last few weeks before you put them out in the ground or something like that. And nice and easy, and it's free. So I thought I might as well, while I'm here, and here is a previously potted up strawberry ready to go with one of my friends. I thought I might as well show you how to do it in case you don't know. So all you need really is a bit of newspaper. So I've got there's one sort of uncut sheet, and then folded over into two. Just fold that over so it's nice and neat. So you just got it like that. And then you need some sort of jar or tin or pot with an open side one end. A straight edge is normally good, because if it has an angled edge like your pot, you sort of your folds, as you try to make it, it goes all wonky, so it makes it a bit difficult. So all we've got to do is get our tin, jar, whatever it is, non-open side to your left, and then what we do is we put it on the paper and have a bit of an overhang of the tin, you can see there, and then all we do is just start to fold, trying to keep it straight and nice and tight with our fold, like so. And then once we've folded it all round, we've got it like that, all we do is tuck all this excess in at the bottom. So we got that like that, as you can see. And now this is why we've had this overhang bit. It's to allow us to be able to get the tin out, hopefully. Give it a turn is normally a good idea. There we go. So there we got our pot like that, and all of the bottom stuff still in there. So let's just push that down, and that gives us a sort of fold it over. Nice sturdy bottom. Can't beat a nice sturdy bottom, can you? There we are. Bit of postcard humour there. Double entendre. So there we go. That is folded over nicely, and we have this bit of a flappy bit here, so what I do is I fold the top over. Like so. It will work. There we go. Mine aren't exactly the most elegant. As you can see, I was never particularly good at wrapping Christmas paper either, or Christmas presents. But, bit of earth in the bottom. An appropriate size strawberry plant. That could be a bit big. That'll be alright. Trim that off. This is a bit of my own compost I've put in here, which I find will do the strawberries better. And again, while I'm a generous person, why use compost that you've had to buy rather than compost you got? There we go. So, like I said, it's not going to last forever, but a nice, easy solution to pot up any plants you want to give away to your friends at no cost. I would say job is definitely a good one. Ah, and do you know what I forgot to say? Here's one I made earlier. I've always wanted to say that. See you later.